Let us now reinforce our understanding about protect function by way of multiple choice questions. First question, which of the following activity is supported by the protect function in Cybersecurity Framework core? Correct answer is option C. So, protect function requires implementing measures to keep the important services and infrastructure safe. Option A is about govern function, option B is about identify function, and option D is about recover function. One of the requirements of identity management is identities are proofed and bound to the credential based on the context of interactions. What does it indicate? So here identities are proved means you need to verify the identity of the user before enrollment, and bound to credential means user should be made accountable for his credentials. So correct answer over here is option C. One of the requirements of identity management is identity assertions are protected, conveyed and verified. What does the identity assertion indicate here? Correct answer is option B. It involves a token or digital claim about a user's identity commonly used during single sign-on process. Next question. One of the requirements of technological resilient infrastructure is mechanisms are implemented to achieve the resilience requirement in normal and adverse situation. What does resilient indicate here? Correct answer is option B. Capacity to continue operations and recover quickly from disruptions or adverse situations. That's all for this lecture. In our next lecture, we will discuss about the fourth function. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to have complete access to our CSF 2.0 course, please do check the link available at the description.